Hello everyone, I hope all of you are fine. This is the second video on the series of frequently asked questions in GRE exam. These question types and concepts are highly tested these days. If you find these videos helpful, like the videos, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any single video of the series. So this is a recurring decimal question. Just pause the video and try to solve this now. So I assume that all of you solved this by now. So there are many ways to solve such recurring decimal concept. I'll explain the best and efficient method, which is a shortcut method to solve such question within second. So basically we are converting such recurring or repeating decimal to fraction. So this is basically a decimal presentation of number in which digits are repeating values at regular intervals and the infinity repeating portion is not 0. That means 0.3 bar or sometimes 0.3 bracket round 3. That's mean 3 is a repeated value in this decimals, and because 3 is repeating, so that's mean we can write this 0.333 up to so on because of the repetition of 3. So there could be two scenario. In first scenario, we have only repeating digits after decimal point, just like in this, and this could be in form of variable as well. So if I consider the first one, so what are the steps to solve this? The first step is remove the decimal point, so this will become 3. The second step is, and the main step, and next denominator with 9 as many times as the length of repeating number. So because in this scenario we have repeating number 3 which have length of 1, so that's why we divide this by 1 times 9. If I consider the scenario in which we have repeating number of a length of 2, for example 0.34 and bar over 34, and 34 is repeating, so in that scenario I will divide 34 by 2 times 9, so that will be 34 over 99. And the last step is reduce the fraction into the least form as required in the question. So this will become 1 over 3. So if I consider the next question in the form of variable, so first thing is remove the decimal point and next denominator with 9 as many times as the length of repeating number. As the length is 2 now, so this will be AB over 99. We can't reduce this further because this is variable. So this depends upon the actual value of AB. So second scenario is in which we have repeating digits and non-repeating digits after decimal point. Just like 0.13 bar, that's mean only 3 is repeating, 1 is not repeating, and 0.CDAB only AB is repeating. If I consider the first one, so what are the steps? Remove the decimal point and the bar, this will become 13. The second thing is I need to subtract the non-repeating number after the decimal point from the above value. So that's mean 13 minus 1 is the non-repeating number after decimal point. So that is 13 minus 1, which is equal to 12. And the next step is, as in the last, we divide this by 9 as many times the length of repeating number. So the length is 1, which is 3. So we'll divide this by 9. As well as in this scenario, we will divide this with the 0. And how much times 0? 0 is as much time the length of non-repeating number. And by 0 I mean when you divide this by 10. So just like in this 12 divided by 1 time length of the repeating number, so that's a 1 by 9, and 1 time the length of non-repeating number, that is 1 by 10. So this will be 12 over 90, and if you reduce further, this will be 4 by 30. And remember, this 0 mean 10. And the second, if I consider the variable, now the first thing is remove the decimal point, this will become CDAB. The next step, subtract the non-repeating number from the above. So what is a non-repeating number? That is CD. So this will be CDAB minus CD. The third step and the main step is divide this by 9 as much time the length of repeating number. So length is 2, divide this by 99. The non-repeating length is also 2. So divide this by 1 by 100, 2 times 0 after the 9. So this will become CDAB minus CD divided by 99 for the repeating number and 102 times 0 based on non-repeating number. So this will be CDAB minus CD divided by 9900. If I use this concept now, so in the question we are given that 0.xyz and xyz is a recurring decimal with xyz as well as different integers. So this is equal to 1 over a when you compare the value of a. So the first thing is, this is first scenario because we have only repeating number after decimal point. So first of all, let's simplify this. So remove the decimal point, this will become xyz. So divide this by 9 as much time the length of repeating number, and the length is 3, that's why xyz divided by 999. Now to find the maximum minimum value of a, let's see the maximum value of a. Because this is equal to 1 over a, so that's mean to maximize the value of a, we need to minimize the value of xyz. So what is the minimum value of xyz when xyz is equal to 0, 1, 2? So if we simplify this further, 0, 1, 2 divided by 999 is equal to 1 over a, and just prime factorize 12 and 999, this will become 4 over 3 set into 37. Because a is in the denominator, just take 4 in the lower side in the denominator, so this will be 1 over 83.25. That's mean the maximum value of a possible is equal to 83.25. So in that scenario, quantity a is greater. If I see the minimum value of a, so for that I need to maximize the value of xyz. So when that is maximum, when we have 987. So this will be 987 divided by 999 is equal to 1 over a. We don't need to prime factorize this. Just take 987 in denominator. So this will be 1 over 999 divided by 987. So that's mean in the denominator we have value very much close to 1. So that's mean in this scenario a is equal to value closer to 1. So that's why quantity b is greater in this scenario. But for such question, it is better to remember the prime factorization of 9, 99, 999 and 999, because using this shortcut, you always need to factorize 9, 99, 999 and 999. It is better idea to just memorize these 4 numbers, to memorize the factorization of these 4 numbers, so that you can solve such question very quickly. So in first scenario, quantity A is greater. In second scenario, quantity B is greater. That's why the answer to this is option D. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you have any doubt or if you want me to make video on any specific concept and topics, just let me know in the comments and I will try to answer your queries. Hope to see you in next video. Thank you.